5 अगस्त को अर्ली मॉर्निंग वाले पुलिस स्टेशन में, उसमें इन्फॉर्मेशन थी कि एक मिस्टर पटेल है, नवीन पटेल, उसकी किडनैपिंग हुई है। लेटर ऑन पूरा का पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया गया, सारी टीम लगाई गई, सारे सीनियर अफसर्स उसको सुपरवाइज कर रहे थे, एसपी और डीवाईएसपी, इंस्पेक्टर और जितने भी लोग हैं नीचे स्टाफ, इंस्पेक्टर्स और जितने एसडीपीओ हैं, एसडीपीओ भी हैं, सारे के सारे इस पर काम कर रहे थे। कुछ सब इंस्पेक्टर्स हैं, कुछ कांस्टेबल्स एंड ऑल स्टाफ टीम इसमें लगाई गई थी। लेटर ऑन इसमें पता चला कि इन लोगों ने ये जो पहले उसके पास उसकी दुकान पे गए थे, नवीन पटेल की पे, वो प्लाईवुड का काम करता है कि हम प्लाईवुड खरीदेंगे। उसके बाद ये बोले कि आप थोड़ा वेट करो, थोड़ी देर बाद हमारा कारपेंटर आया है, उसके बाद हम प्लाईवुड खरीदेंगे आपसे। तो ये बोला कि मुझे जाना है, कहीं जल्दी है, लेकिन इसके बाद में उसको अंदर से बंद कर दिया और उसके आर्म्स टाइप बता रहा है कि आर्म थे वो लगा दिया, प्लस नाइफ टाइप कोई इक्विपमेंट था, इंस्ट्रूमेंट था, वो भी इसको उससे डराया। उसके बाद में इसमें पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया और इसकी सर्वेलेंस की गई। दिन में एक एक्यूज ने इसकी वाइफ को फ़ोन भी किया और फ़ोन में रैंसम अमाउंट थी 1 करोड़ की। फिर धीरे धीरे पुलिस उसको इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती रही, पूरा डीपली उसके बाद करते रहे। पता चला कि इन लोगों ने एक मोबाइल फ़ोन छीना था वहाँ से ओल्ड गोवा पुलिस स्टेशन जुडिक्शन से, तो उसके बाद छीन के और उसके बाद उन्होंने वो यूज़ किया था। फिर क्योंकि उसमें लिंक हो गया, थोड़ा इन्वेस्टिगेशन किए, तो उसके बाद लोकेशन वीरेंद्र कुमार की और निशांत की पता चली कुछ एविडेंस लेने के बाद, और इन दोनों को लाया गया, थोरोली इनको इंट्रोगेट किया गया, और इन्हीं के इंट्रोगेशन के बाद में इन्होंने जगह बताई कि अगेसम में एक अबेंडन बिल्डिंग है जहाँ कोई नहीं है, उस स्ट्रक्चर में उसको छिपा रखा है। उसकी पट्टी भी बांध रखी थी और उसको पहले धमकी भी दी थी और उस पैसे भी मांग कर रहे थे। मीनवाइल टीम ने जाके उसके बाद 3 एक्यूज़ को और अरेस्ट कर लिया, तो टोटल इसमें 5 एक्यूज़ को डिटेन किया है, इंट्रोगेशन जारी है और जो जो एविडेंस होगा उनके खिलाफ एक कार्रवाई की जाएगी। इसमें ये बात सामने आई है कि जो निशांत मोगन था, ये इसके यहाँ काम करता था। इस जो विक्टिम है, जो नवीन पटेल है, इसके यहाँ पे काम करता था और बाद में छोड़ के चला गया। उसको सारी डिटेल इसको मालूम थी, रिलेटिव्स की और इसकी। और ये वीरेंद्र कुमार और निशांत, ये दोनों पहले अरेस्ट भी हुए हैं केस में, अगेसम पुलिस स्टेशन के केस में, व्हीकल थेफ्ट था। और अभी इन 5 एक्यूज से इंट्रोगेशन जारी है, जो भी एविडेंस आएगा उसी के हिसाब से कार्रवाई की जाएगी। तो ये बहुत अच्छा काम है पुलिस का, गोवा पुलिस का, और अगर ढंग से काम नहीं करते, क्योंकि एक्शन नहीं लेते, तो इसमें उसकी जान जोखिम में हो सकती थी। हाँ, नेम्स, one accused name is Mr. Virendra Kumar, another is Nishant Mogan, third one is Manjunath, fourth one is Sujit, fifth one is Subhash. It's 5 persons.
So since you said that this one of the person was working in this, so So what would be your message to people of Goa? Because there are a number of people who take do jobs and all do such type of people who can work in their houses.
We request public कि whenever they employ anybody, they should get their verification done. They should themselves verify. They may request police also to get verification. We will verify those persons. Because we should keep persons after verification. That is only message.
So because we see a number of houses where mostly, especially older people will stay here, especially in Goa. And their children are all stay in foreign and work. So that time this type of serious issues.
Yeah, this is a serious issue because non-persons has given information and they have planned. इसी से ये है कि they should verify before employing.
Sir, which type of vehicle was used and where they have put the victim?
Victim was kept in Agesan, in abandoned building, which is abandoned and which we are verifying to whom it belongs because there is nobody. And vehicle was Creta.
Hyundai white
Creta vehicle was used.
Was rented vehicle.
Yeah, this is given by one person and it was on rent. That also we are making verification. We are verification how this vehicle was given, how it was going to be, because we will verify all those things.
Did all were staying in Goa?
Yeah, all are staying in Goa.
Where? In a rented house or something?
In different places. Different places.
So all your people.
But since this information is preliminary, then they are not telling. We will verify their antecedent, we will verify when they have come here in Goa, where they have stayed. We will verify their old antecedents also.
So you said Nishant and Ravi Kumar, they are having a criminal background. What about other three?
Nishant and Birender,
Abhinandan.
Birender Kumar. For others also we are verifying. Till our verification, it has come that these two are involved. But for others also we are also verifying. So upon verification only we can tell.
From which states they belong to?
They belong to like Birender belong to Bihar and the Nishant belong to Mangalore, Karnataka, and was Sujit belong to Maharashtra
Manjunath Karwad.
and Manjunath from
Karwad.
Karwad. Okay, then Subhash from
Maharashtra. Kolhapur.
Kolhapur. But this is the information which they have given. We will verify this.
Nishant, how long he was working with the victim?
For few months, because since this information, if we tell, it may not be correct because we will verify all those things. These are the information, whatever information available we have given to you. And since we will investigate from them, after interrogation only we can tell.
How many hours you can take the case? How many hours? When was the case registered?
Within 1 day, not even 1 day,
Incident
not even 1 day,
sir?
in yesterday daytime.
Now was the condition of the person who was kidnapped?
He is okay. He is okay. But mentally he was stressed at that time. But it will
How
take
old is
time.
he?
In 30s. He's in 30s. In 30s. Whatever it is.
So any award for the team?
Yeah, they will be suitably awarded. We'll give them award.
So, how are police going into the senior properties, unknown properties and all, especially in Goa? Is police looking or verifying on this? Because there have been some of the MLAs who have been saying that properties have been sold illegally. Number of cases are issues are like that.
Yeah, whenever it comes to our notice, we are registering cases. A lot of cases have registered. A lot of frauds have taken place, land scams have taken place, we are taking action. And for each and every action, action is different. And so we are taking action on that.
ये जो निशान ने काम छोड़ा था, तो इसके साथ कुछ झगड़ा हुआ था या something has happened?
This is subject to verification. क्यों छोड़ा, क्या छोड़ा, वो तो then we'll ask him.
So, but are local people, whoever it may be, whoever are giving their houses on rent for rooms and all, are they following that tenant verification thing process? But still, police are finding it difficult.
Like we are pursuing this matter with all persons to give. But since there is no law, we can't force anybody. We cannot, it is voluntary.
But how has the
So we-
panchayats and
We are, our people go there, they talk to people and like they pursue people. And most of the people, some people give also for verification.
But they have
So-
to fill the C form also in that, within the jurisdiction. Only for
Foreigners.
foreigners.
That is for foreigners, not for Indians. That is for the filling of foreigners.
And those who are staying on canal, whether he is come from other.
That will intensify our tenant verification. We'll ask our PIs to go to different people and make aware that is where we'll, due to COVID actually these awareness programs were not there. Actually from last year, earlier we used to have awareness camps and awareness program to the public. They used to go to panchayat, they used to go to different colonies, they used to go to shopkeepers, they used to talk to different associations. Now again, we'll talk to them. These are necessity.
Sir, nowadays, Olga jurisdiction, the theft cases happening more and more. Especially bike theft, house theft.
We'll take action, or people will take action on that. In this case, I can tell you that when this case was noticed, given, like complaint was given to Old Goa police station, they did not register case of robbery and some things they should have registered. So we have suspended one head constable. We have suspended head constable. Why action was not taken? From our side, instructions are very clear. If any case of robbery, theft, house theft, or house breaking, HBT, robbery, dacoity, anything is reported to police, it should be immediately registered. So in that case, he was found negligent. We have the police department has placed him under suspension today. Today we have.
Regarding that mobile.
Mobile snatching, why the case was not registered?
So complaint was given to the police station.
Yeah, it was informed to police. Police go informed.
When it was done, long back or?
Yesterday only.
Yesterday.
नहीं यहाँ नहीं है थोड़ी
नहीं अक्यूज नहीं
सर, एक प्रोविजन में जो कांस्टेबल है, उसने डीएम को कुछ गालियां दे दी थी, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था?
किसने
ड्यूटी मास्टर को फोन पे रात को, तो उसके बारे में क्या हुआ? क्या रिपोर्ट आई है?
किसने
एक जो प्रोविजन ग्रेड पे कांस्टेबल है,
कहाँ पर
पंजाब पीएस पे ना, बाद में उसको गवर्नर की परेड के लिए भेजा था, इसलिए उसने कांस्टेबल ने इसको अपना ड्यूटी मास्टर को गालियां दी। तो उस पर कुछ रिपोर्ट आया, कुछ एक्शन हो गया?
दैट विल वेरीफाई करेंगे फ्रॉम PI and DYS will talk to them. क्या will talk.
Sir, lot of crime is increasing in the south area. What do you like to say?
No, not lot of crime. Crime were taking place earlier also. If you compare chart, not lot of crime. Crime is taking place and you see the action, the police action. Police patrolling has been intensified. Lot of people have been deployed on the road. We got recently 35 vehicles. We are given to PIs. If you see on the police station, you can see new vehicles to them. And our instruction is that you register all cases. So they are registering all the cases. If somebody is not registering cases, we will take action. So crimes, they are police here and here, I tell you, in detection, they are doing very good job. Goa police people. ठीक, thank you.
और बाकी CID से लास्ट आ गया समीर मस्त बढ़िया
गाड़ी चाहिए ना फोटो
पुलिस स्टेशन